Nice to meet you, Gia.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you online. I'm very happy.
Okay, let's start.
Okay. I understand you are planning for a 2,000 square meter and 8-meter height adventure park. May I ask where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Oh, we have many projects in the Europe. And let me briefly introduce our company,
Okay.
Flandia.
And by the way, you mentioned Europe, but do you have any project in Germany?
Yes, we have many projects in Germany, and they are our long-term relationship with us.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, the connection is not very good. You said that you have a project in Germany, but which city? Which city
Hello?
is your project in?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I'm sorry because the network. Could you please tell me what you see? Yes.
Yes, I was asking, which city of Germany do you have a project in?
Okay.
Yes, it's okay now. Yeah, I can see you.
哦，
你那在他那边是变形的。
那个不是，让 Jerry 在这看一下吧。我们这儿那个 Jerry，你在那个待看一下这个网，你观察一下这网络。每天都要开会。
David 的，王总那边的，王总原来的。对，你这个电脑原来放在哪里？待会在那个。对，就是王总给的。对，我知道。
Okay, let's continue. I was asking which city of Germany do you have a project in?
Oh, we have many projects in different cities and may I ask where are you from the city?
I'm from Munich.
Oh, we have project in Munich.
You sure? Because I cannot find any information of a project near Munich from your website.
Yes, we have the projects maybe in the long time, and because we have 3,000 projects in all the world, and our website shows limited.
Okay, let's move on to your introduction of your company.
Okay, let me briefly introduce our company, Flandia. Flandia is a global manufacturer and provider for the family entertainment and adventure parks. If you check our website, you will see many projects all over the world, especially in Europe. And what's important is we have our own factory. We are established in 2007, and the factory is over. The square of the factory is over 20,000 square meters. So we can control the quality from start to finish. And we can also meet the international safety certifications like ASTM, EN, UL, and so on. So this means your equipment is safe, durable, and complies with the local regulations. and we almost handle everything from your first idea through design, production, installation, and after sale. So your park will be safe and profitable. We are very professional. And by the way, could you please tell me, have you already secured your venue and your target date in mind for opening?
是不是又不行？
对。
Hello.
Hello.
啊，又卡了 ，bad connection again. Okay, Gia. Thank you for your introduction of the company.
哦，真的。
好了，那个我们这个公司介绍就到这儿可以，你让 Jerry 看一下，你再叫 Jerry 看一下。
OK。
你们平时开课也这样吗？隔一会儿就会看吗？
对，现在我的时候就直接把那个，就刚才一张可以。
你们觉得跟那个无线网有关系是吗？
我觉得是，但是插网现在
跟这房间有没有关系？
房间好像还行。
是吗？
对，但是插网
就是你比如说你在公司不同的区域都是这样，那你们为什么不跟 Jerry 和那个行政讲？
跟他说过，然后 Jerry 说去插网线。
我听不清。
可能吧，那。
我跟 Jerry 说过，包括在小会议室在那边，他说。
行，这样你一会儿过来，直接在这边我们继续。
好，
现在可以了，现在可以。你刚刚这个半分钟就卡住了，不怕，声音不连续。刚刚你讲的声音都挺好的。是吗？对，刚刚听见。对，你看这个就是很流畅，就去学习。刚刚那个王总当时讲话的，你这里也挺清楚的。对，然后你就把那个保存好了吧？
录制了，我就直接关掉。
录制了，对，退出，因为下一个是另外一个人，退出，你就 leave the call。我在旁边急死了，我说你随便说一个，不过你反应还可以，你可以，刚才是怎么说来着？
我问他在哪个城市，然后我就说我们在那个城市有。
对，然后后来他说我怎么没看到你在那个城市？你说我们做的太多不可能一，对，这个反应可以的啊。但是对于那些，如果我们确实你不是问了他那个他在就是哪个城市嘛，他不是告诉你了嘛？然后他告诉你完了以后，其实我们没有在那个城市做，你可以说我们在他的相邻的某个城市去做，或者我在跟他说，刚才他的那个，
一会儿再说，你可以回头看。那门关上。我们现在先不说前面那些，就先继续。我们现在得进入角色。Hi dear.
Hi.
Nice to see you again. Yeah, thank you for bringing us to this nice play center you have built. And I'm with Amy, my colleague.
Hi.
You know already our plan. That's exactly what we want for our park. We have a very good, decent, high ceiling. We want to put a high courses like this in our park.
Yes.
Can you give me an introduction of your this product?
Okay. Standing here under the rope courses, you could see it's a multi-level area challenge system, and the core idea is safe adventure at height. So participants will wear full body harness connected to a continuous line. They are safe the whole time. And it offers many obstacles like swinging bridges and balance beams and cargo nets. So
okay, what's the difference of these obstacles?
They are designed to be scalable in difficulty. So kids, teens, and adults can all enjoy it.
Okay. What age group for this product? What age group? What age group of children is it suitable for?
Yes. It can build the kids' confidence.
I mean, what age group is it suitable for? What age of the children?
I think it's okay for 8 to more, 8 to adults.
8 years to adults.
More than 8 age.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Continue.
okay. And I think the beauty is the root causes combine the adrenaline, physical activity, and the confidence building.
Okay.
It take advantage of your vertical space, perfect for your 8 adventure park.
Okay.
Yes. So it will add a strong visual impact.
Yeah. Have you tried this yourself?
Yes. I think it's very fantastic.
Okay.
Okay. Could I invite you to have a try together?
I think it's so high. I'm scared of the height. I think I will skip it. But thank you for offering.
I think maybe it might look high from ground, but
but it will look more scary than that up there.
I think it will be very safe, and you will connect to the daily life.
I totally trust that. I'm just afraid of the height. It's I'm not young anymore. I'm kind of afraid.
I think we could go up together, and I will be right beside you. We could start with the easiest part.
Okay.
And in 2 minutes, you will be focused on the fun, and you will forget you were nervous. And I think
okay.
And I think
it sounds interesting. Okay, I will try.
I think experiencing the first hand is the best way to decide if it's right for your park.
Yeah, that's correct. It makes sense. 好，下一个工厂视频。你就看着这个，给我介绍一下。这个办公室里面主要是 3D 技术生画他们这些人的工作。
好的。Here in our factory, and this is the technical department. They are bridge between design and production. You have seen our Shanghai office. The designers will use the dimensions of your site and variety products to make a design precise. So you can preview and decide what you like. Once you approve the design, this technical department will transform the concept into precise manufacturing drawings, and ensuring every details could be used to produce.
Okay.
So they check feasibility, choose the best materials, and work closely with production. They make sure the plan is safe, precise, and sufficient to build. And they work to make sure your park is planned, accurate, and minimizes the errors. So what you see in the design phase and is exactly what you will get in the real life.
Okay, sounds good. And what's the software they're using?
What's
software?
What's this software they're using?
It's a CAD.
Okay, a CD software.
Yes.
Okay.
It can be used in the installation, and it will be.
What kind of drawings they create for the following process? What kind of drawings are included for their job?
I understand I can tell you the designer will make a concept design. You could see what exactly the playground was like. But their work, the drawing is like the installation team will better understand the installation work, and almost like the pipe and some.
So installation drawings and in other drawings, production drawings and the installation drawings.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
行，这样就这样吧。
好，
你这边现在就是这样，对吧？
对。
好，那你帮我叫一下小黄，好吧？
这不是吧？
好像是，我看一眼，应该是。你就帮我按那个顺序叫吧，不是那个，你就要按排的一个顺序嘛。啊。亮他那边对吧 ？Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can hear you well.
All right. Okay, let me fix the translation. Okay, everything is all right. First of all, I want to say thank you for taking your time coming to this meeting today. I think that we're going to have a great project if we collaborate together. So, first of all,
yes.
First of all, I would like to make a brief introduction of Finlandia. I don't know if you know, if you have seen our company brochure from before, but well, I'm going to make a brief introduction for you. Finlandia, it was established in 2007, which makes it 18 years of trajectory and experience in the FEC industry. We got over 3,000 projects all over the world. And we have worked with brands like Shogi Cheese, Super Park, Flip Out, Bounce, etc. What Finlandia has to offer? Well, that's very simple. What we got to offer is a full turnkey service, offering an end-to-end from design, engineering, to production, delivery, installation, including after-sales service. Of course, we don't need to mention that Finlandia, it complies with all the safety standards for any country playground. If you got any other question, then I think that you can ask me. I'm going to be answering any question that you got about the company. It's okay. You can ask me any question.
Okay, yeah. I'm curious because I did this research on the internet. I found a lot of suppliers from China.
Yes.
Yeah, of course, Finlandia, I'm impressed with your website and what you have done. But I'm just curious, what's the difference between all of these so many Chinese suppliers? What's the difference between Finlandia and other companies?
Well, that's very simple. First of all, We got the, just as I said before, we are offering the full turnkey services. This is not something that all the other providers can provide as a service. We're going to provide from one design, one full and complete designs, which is very, very, very professional design with all our engineers, to production. The material quality is going to be fully upgraded for your playground. And we're going to also make the installation, which makes it clear. It is a highly difference between our company and the other companies as well. Also, we're going to be offering an after-sale services. And not only that, because we have also worked with other brands around the world and other projects around the world. So what that means? That means that we're going to be offering the highly standard safety standards for your playground.
Okay, good. 亮，你可以来这边，我们进行下一个环节。
好的 Okay, thank you very much for your time. So now we can keep discussing about the other project details.
Right. Yeah, sure. I look forward to it.
Yeah.
Darren，
哎，
你不要关这个窗口和这个什么啊，那个我们就准备一直就录一段就得了，你明白吧？
好的，就不要关对吧？啊，
对，你该干啥干啥，你就别关这个窗口，别停止我们这个会议视频就行了。
好的。
Hi. Okay, you already know the test, right?
Okay, right now we are behind
right
cartoony rope courses.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're standing right behind cartoonish rope courses. And this is an open air structure, which is perfect for all of those users or clients that wants to get a bunch of that challenging, wants to get a bunch of that adrenaline on their body. And this elevated structure, it complies with a lot of obstacles, which are going to make it challenging for the user and for the clients. Now, why is good that you got these rope courses in your playground, in your 2,000 square meters playground? Well, that's very simple. This is very good for those 8 meters or 7 meters high of playgrounds like yours, and it's going to maximize your vertical space. Not only that, that is also going to attract the older people, not only children or teenagers, but also adults as well. And it's going, this is very important, this is going to generate a very high revenue. So it's very commercial and you're going to be earning a lot of money.
Okay. Leon, do you know how much this park charge for this attraction? This exact attraction, the rope courses, do you know how much they charge for it?
I would say that it is from $10 to $20 per ticket.
$20 US dollars.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm a little bit skeptical about the operational cost of this product. You see, there are up to 4 or 5 employees running it. 2 on the obstacles, 2 on the ground to help people put on the harness and take off the harness. So I don't know if it makes sense to have to hire a lot of employees to just run this attraction.
Yeah, this is very simple. First of all, you need to get this personal on the rope courses, because actually this is a safety area. This got to be complied with the safety standards. So we need to have employees on.
Yeah, I understand that. The safety is always critical, but you see, it requires 4 or 5 employees. You know, the cost of from my country, Germany, is high. The labor cost.
Exactly, but I think that this is a very visual landmark, which is going to make the revenue comes by like much higher within the time. So even if you have
sorry,
5 employees, yes.
I didn't hear you clearly. You said that the revenue is going to be high.
So even with these 5 employees, then your revenue is going to be higher and higher. So you don't need to worry about hiring 5 employees to keep the safety on your playground.
Okay. Just a quick note. Normally, if the customer mentions this, if it was me, I would tell the customer that yes, of course, it has a higher operational cost, but what we do with the design of the product or a project is that we try to combine the area of the high rope courses and the climbing walls together so that we can have just one concentrated area to have 1 or 2 employees to have all kinds of to put on the harness and take off the harness as a way to save the labor cost. So that also is an opportunity. Every challenge, every question the customer asks offers you an opportunity to save, to show the customer something, show the customer our professionalism, our expertise.
Yes. So, yeah,
okay, yeah, and then let's continue. Have you ever got up there, the high rope courses yourself?
Are you asking me as a customer or as my boss?
Yeah, as a customer.
Okay, yeah. I've been up there and it's completely safe. Actually, you don't need to worry about anything like that because it complies with all the high standards, safety standards, and we got all the reports.
Yeah.
So, and we also got like any other customers before who went there and they were great and they were completely safe. So you don't need to be afraid of anything. Even if you want, I can go with you. You only got to put the harness on it. Once clip down, then you're ready to go.
Yeah, I understand. I have seen people playing on it, and I believe your product is safe. But I'm just personally afraid of a height, so I want to. I will skip it.
No. Actually, you don't need to worry. As you can see, they got the employees here, and we got the harness. We are got all the equipment. Once you put the equipment on, you don't need to worry about anything.
Okay,
you're going to be clean, you're going to be safe.
It looks very exciting, but I'm just afraid of height. Last time I got up there, any height, my legs start to shake.
Oh, it's okay. If you want, I can go with you. Like it's completely normal. I'm going to show you first. Do you want? Okay, let's go.
Okay, then I will follow you then. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. 下一个.
All right. The factory.
Next, we are in the factory.
Okay, so our factories are in Jiangsu province, which is inside Shanghai. And we got over 20,000 square meters of area or designed for the manufacturing of our playground equipment. Now here we're going to be having our engineering team or design team, which they are going to be using high quality softwares like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, which is designed to make all the precise designs. Okay. Not only that, here all of our designers are going to be specialized in every area. Like for example, some of them are going to be dedicated to build the manufacturing or the design of the soft play area. One of them are going to be in the server room. One of them are for the adventure parks or the trampoline parks. So every one of them have their own expertise.
What's the difference between the design of these people and the people in Shanghai office?
Exactly. Well, these ones are engineers. The ones that we got in Shanghai, they are the designers. So these engineers, they are going to take the AutoCAD, they are going to take all the information that they receive from Shanghai, and they are going to take all the measurements and be more precise on what it needs to be done for the production. So that's the difference.
Okay. What kind of drawings does it create?
They create technical drawings.
What drawing?
technical
drawings.
drawings.
Okay.
Which is the ones that you also need when they are going to do the installation.
Yeah.
Well, they send these drawings, these technical drawings to the workers who are going to be installing, and then, well, that's how the process goes on.
OK， 好，行，测试就这。
不是还有那个 workshop，
还有吗
？Final steps
没有，就这几个，就这3个。
对，但是工厂的还有别的那个区域。
那你可能
没有关系，这样子。
只有我们的这次测试里只有这个，就是工厂网易，让他也是先去完成。我发现他们反正都有一些要改进的地方。喂，Jerry，不在。文昌会是有过那个会什么吗？Hello，
王总你 ，Hello，
哎，William， good to see you。Good
to see you and hi， 等一下，王总，我想问一下，这个不是录那个操作视频吗？是直接对话吗？
你直接可以开始了，因为这一直都在。啊，
行，
我不用操作，不用考操作，直接开始。
OK。Hi, good to see you. How are you?
Good to see you. Yeah, the connection is not very good.
Hello, can you hear me? I think the connection is not very good.
Connection is bad. Just hold on a second.
我直接过去了，这网不太好，特别卡，完全卡住了。
刚刚还好的，刚刚6开的挺好的，这不大。
Jerry 在你先给插上网用，你先给插上网先用。那个小黄，你们现在你先换个地方插上网线用，但是不要停这个会议不要停，就一直保持录像。
你现在开始，现在好像好了，你不用动钉钉，你就这样就可以。
就行是吧？
对，你这样开始，
继续。
Okay, William, let's start over from the very beginning. Hi, how are you, William?
It's good. It's very good. Good to see you. And finally, I finally see you on the Google meeting. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. And very thanks for your time to taking this meeting. I think there will be this would be a good start for our business relationships. So to start with, I'd like to introduce our like the general presentation or introduction of our company Finlandia. And actually, Finlandia was founded in 2007, and after almost 20 years running and operation, we have grown up into like one of the largest suppliers around the whole world. And in the past, like 18 years, we have established with our customer and funded over 3,000 projects around from coast to coast. And mainly we have two main series of products. One is the Alexa Children Play, as I showed you in the. I think you have seen our catalog Alexa Children Play. It is mainly for the toddler, and for some small kids from ages ranging from 2 to 6 years old. And another one is adventure play. The age is from 6 to 12, and something for the adults even. Unlike the other suppliers in China, I think what Fanatics advantage is mainly sits in the design capacity and our production lines and quality.
小王，你过来吧，你到我们办公室里来，直接在这边继续吧。Jerry 在那儿吗 ？Jerry 在那儿吗？
在，你过去，我这边
不要停这个录像，不要停这个窗口，让他那，他们不是说插网线上，
把电脑拿到会议室去吧。
找个地儿把你的会议室插上网线用。
对，插上网线。
你先做一个，在这儿继续。好。就是你接着刚刚介绍，你坐下来，坐下来。
还是以视频会议的方式啊？
对，就现在就继续，对，就继续介绍。You mentioned that you have 2 product lines, and
it's our advantage. Yes.
Okay. I want to interrupt you and ask one question. I see a lot of other Chinese companies on the internet. What's the difference between Finlandia and the rest of the Chinese companies?
I'd like to express this question and with several points. The first one, I think the most difference is our capacity. Finlandia, we can offer and even provide a turnkey solutions for our clients around the whole world, and our service covers like the design and production, engineering, installation, and even after sale cares. So, but we look at other suppliers in China, and they may be like the small plants and just have one main production line. They cannot to offer you like the full equipment service and even installations. So another point is we put very importance on the quality. So we have the most the highest standard. The highest standard, quality standard around the world. So that I think that's the difference between Finlandia and other suppliers.
Okay, let's move on to the next test. You know what's the name of this project? The Tianshan Guangchang project, right?
Yes.
So we are here at the Tianshan Guangchang project under the high road courses, and you need to explain to me about this attraction high road courses.
Actually, as we can here to look up at this equipment that way. And to start with, I need to inform you that this is one of our most important.
Okay. Yeah, just relax. Just relax. Imagine that I'm with one of your customers, like a lot, you have a company that we are target.
Yeah. Actually, we can see this Dutch monster just over our head, and and to clarify, this is one of our most popular attractions in what's called the road courses. I think you may see in other like some big in your background parks. And for this attraction, where some smaller parks, we can choose this attraction because it has a very highest condition for the height. Let's say you have mentioned that you want to open a park like large of 2,003 meters and with 8 meters high. I think that's an ideal height for the playground to set the rope courses. And for the courses, I need to see it is very exciting and always challenging attractions for the kids and even for some teenagers. So unlike some like the traditional playground, they just have some shoulder.
I'm sorry, what is the minimum age requirement for this product?
Minimum for the rope course, and we can do some it is customizable. I think the minimum height for the rope course we can align with the next 3 meters, but
no, I mean minimum age requirement. Minimum requirement for the age of the children.
Age from age. It
Age
depends,
or
yes.
height of the children.
It depends. For the age, we usually recommend the kids to play the course over 6 years old, and for the height, we recommend this to over 126 meters high. I think that's the idea to ensure the safety.
Have you played with this yourself out there?
Yes, of course. I've played many, and I really recommend it you to camp out and have a try, because from the person from my view, I totally think if you want to set a new attraction that you have never been before, we need to have a general experience to see if it is easier to set in your playground, and if it is very exciting for the kids or some safety. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Let's close this part of the test. Let's go to the next one. Then we are in the factory, and you're showing me this the main office in the factory.
Okay.
You can see. You remember what you are supposed to do in this test?
Yeah, I think we have, just as we can see their website, like their works for the brand webs. And this team is one of our engineer team in Suzhou in Taishan city. So another team is located in Shanghai office. So but in Taishan city, we have several different teams for the engineers. So three main of them and most of them are very expert and have gained over decades work experience in the industry. And I think they have many and have a strong qualification to work in this industry for years.
What's the difference of the people who work on these designs and the people in Shanghai?
In Taishan City, they usually work on the structures and some to start with. I think I need to clarify the same points and the different points between the Shanghai and the Taishan City. And then both of them are work on the structures and the engineers to make sure your designs and put it into productions and make it to ensure the safety and it is accurate accurate per specifications. So, but in Kaishan City, they are mainly focused on the indoor playground and for the small kids. And but in Shanghai City, they are focused more on the adventure parks. So that's the difference. But they are both of them are expert. Yes, we were professionally in this team.
OK，行，测试就到这儿。那个小黄，你先去看一下那个他那边那个什么没事儿，就看一下那什么怎么样。那个，然后再加那个谁，小游再过来。那个远程，Gary 现在怎么样？
现在可以。
就是你现在用的哪台电脑？
还是刚才那个电脑，我是搬到会议室。
是哪台？
就是你那个原来淘汰下来给黄一
晨我以前用的那个电脑吗？
啊，对，你以前用的那个。
那视频为什么这么不清楚？我那个摄像头很好的。
视频一会儿清楚，一会儿这里光线不好吧？可能我刚看到了。
不是，这又开始那个网络连接还是不行，网络连接还是不行。Gary，
是哎，
看到了吗？又卡了。
对，又卡了，不是？对，现在视频有点模糊。
所以它不光是那个什么无线网络的环境的问题，那个有线也一样卡，对不对？
声音能听清楚，这画面有点模糊。它的
环境
画面
也看一下，对不对？你加一下环境也看一下。好。
待会儿我用日本节点开试试看，这是用的美国节点。
他们在过设计。
用日本节点试试看，我看看会不会是。
你觉得是节点的问题啊？
试试看日本的节点速度会可能近一点、快一点嘛？延迟。
因为你们开会的时候，对不对？就是你们开会的时候，你们在办公室开会，在家开会，各种场合你都开过会，你回头你记着一下这事儿，回头我们讨论一下这到底是什么原因？是我们整个这个办公室的网络环境的原因，无线网的原因，还是这个插上有线网也不行，还是翻墙的原因？如果你们在家开会到底怎么样？
在家开会我觉得没什么大问题，因为我在家的话一般都是跟亮他们开南美那边的会议，然后整体来说我感觉只要客户那边网没问题，一般是没有什么。
那我们这办公室这网络花了这么多钱，用的这么高的宽带，还赶不上家里的。
现在很好，我觉得是这个。你比如说现在你看，Jerry，你看，现在这个画面只要不放大，你刚才小的时候。
小的时候就不好是吧？放大的话就那个。对。
但是你看又卡了，很卡。
一旦画面放大，它就卡。
放大，我不看这个画面，刚刚画面我是这样的嘛，这样先是小画面对吧？
小画面
它就不卡，先是小画面它就不卡了，
对不对？那个你让嘉瑞别把这个关了，我们就拿它当录音工具吧。然后
没关。
然后把那边网络静音了，视频也关了，我们就把它当做一个录音工具。
把那个视频关了。
摄像头也关了，然后话筒也关了，然后继续录音，就录我这边的音就行了。然后你让那个谁小游就直接过了，我们就在这边直接讲了，面对面讲了。稍等一下，先等一下。 Okay, let's start.
所以我们这个还是当做视频会议嘛。
我面对面。Sorry, I forgot your English name. I know you're Xiaoyou, but what's your English name?
So my English name is Podrick.
Podrick, yeah.
Yeah. You can call me Pod, by the way.
Pod.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you, Pod.
Nice to meet you too. So let me give you a brief introduction to Finlandia. We are one of the global leader in indoor park and adventure park solutions, trusted by top brands like Gateway, Altitude, Superpark, and other major brands worldwide. So what makes us different is our strong compliance expertise. We design according to ASTM standards, IBC 2024, and ADA accessibility. And please note, we also have our own SGS in-house testing lab to ensure safety and reliability. So you are the first-time operator, right?
Yes.
So for the first-time operator, like
I did some research about the industry, so I know a little bit. But by the way, I'm from Germany, so the standards you mentioned are mostly for American market, right?
Yeah, but our standard also meets the EU standards. You said you're from Germany, right? We have a project in Deutschland, so I can take you to our project site to view our project in Deutschland or other European country, because all of our product, our project meets EU standards. You can be sure about that.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
So our goal is to help you to avoid typical beginner's pitfalls and build a profitable, durable adventure park for you.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, that's all about the introduction. Do you have anything else to add about your company?
So our company is one of the global leaders in indoor park and adventure park. So you can be sure your project will be completely safe and durable if you give us to handle it.
Okay. I have a question. I did some research on the internet and I found a lot of Chinese suppliers. It's hard to tell what's the difference between these suppliers.
Also, as I said before, we design according to American standards, EU standards. So our project and our products are made in highest international standards. So that's the difference between our company and another manufacturing factors. So you can trust us about our concept design, manufacturing, and installation. We have the full turnkey solution for you.
Okay. So that's a main difference between Finlandia and the rest of Chinese companies?
Yeah, so you can be very sure about our ability.
Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next test. So imagine that we are standing below these high rope courses. You need to explain to me about this product.
So we are under the rope courses. This attraction is one of the most versatile anchors in adventure park. It combines physical challenges, balance training, and height excitement. And the layout can be customized by the height, capacity, and the difficulty level. our rope courses use full body harness system, triple locking, triple safety locking, and anti-fall mechanisms. When you put the harness on, you will feel how secure it is. So it's the best sell point for our rope courses. It's very safe. It's a completely safe and controlled environment.
Okay. It looks very exciting. Have you played with this yourself?
Yeah, I played it myself.
How does it feel?
It feels very exciting and a little bit of thrill. But when you try this once immediately, you will know immediately how your future customers will feel like. It will help you make the right decision for your future park. So if you like to try this, I can take you there. You don't have to try all the course, but just one step. I will be sure you will like this project and our product.
Okay. I want to, but I'm not sure. I'm kind of afraid of height.
So as I said before, our product is very safe. It has full body harness system and triple safety locking and anti-fall mechanism. So let me tell you a secret. Every investor who tries this once, they will immediately know its value. You will know how your future customers will feel like. So just try one step, you will know its value. Let's go up slowly, just one step. You don't have to try all the course.
Okay. Thank you. I will try it with you then. Okay, next is we are in the Suzhou office, Titan office, and you're supposed to show me what are these people doing, what's their job responsibility.
So here is our Suzhou factory, and these are our technical department. They are the backbone of our product safety and precision. They handle the structural engineering, material selection, and prototyping, and all the safety compliance related documentation, including IBC, ASTM, and fire safety requirements. They also work closely with our designers, turn the creative concept into buildable, durable structures. So in short, this team helps us to run some mechanical tests, stress simulation, and safety verification in coordination with our SGS testing lab. And they ensures every piece of equipment we delivered to you is not only fun, but also with the highest international standards.
Okay. Do you have anything to add? If nothing, that's okay. Yeah, I just wanted to ask.
So that's all.
Yeah. Okay. 好，那没问题了。
好，我先走。
这个也能简单总结一下吗？刚才每个人讲的这个其实都是自己发挥，
对，
特别的散，就是
因为我让他们就是按照自己的想法。
对，我知道，也不光是你们这个人，所有人肯定也都一样，肯定也都一样。我觉得首先我们确实是一些最核心的公司介绍，也有一些标准，大家把它都记一下。你可以发挥的时候稍微发挥一点，加点什么这些的，根据当时的情景。 加点什么减点什么，但有些最核心的东西，从那个你到底要介绍什么点，到怎么表达，是不应该这么随意。而且你先进来吧，不是Gary那边那个那网络的，我这儿顺便先说一下，
你先坐下来。
这也经常会有那个卡顿呐、什么这些的不清楚啊这些问题，对。
哎，王总啊，你
说
是你用的是那个住宅 IP 吧？住宅 IP 的它的网络会有波动。
你说是我的这个原因吗？
有可能，你把它切换成那个机房 IP。
好，我现在试一下。
用美国的节点那个机房 IP，不像住宅 IP，住宅 IP 它网络有波动，会对视频它会有可能有卡顿。你选择那个美国那个就是服务器几问。
或者也许是这样，就不管我用的是哪个 IP，等于我们两面都在翻墙，我在翻墙，你那边也在翻墙，等于这个网络可能就是绕得太远，会不会？
不是太远，你那个住宅 IP 它从机房 IP 中转的那个住宅 IP 它会有网络波动，它就速度没那么快。你就选那个你那个一个机房 IP 的那个选一个，对。刚刚
你用的哪一个？我也用日本那个，是不是？
一个美国的，一个你用美国的好了，这里也用美国的。
我用美国这个 USA， 就是 USA Edward 的那个是吗？
对 Edward 的那个，你不要用那个住宅 IP， 我给你备注了。
那个亚马逊的那个还用着呢吗？
亚马逊老早不用了，不用亚马逊。没有这个没有八瓦工的好，八瓦工是应该是顶级线路了。
叫什么的？你现在用的是什么的？
现在是斑瓦工的 GRA 线路，这个是最好的了，你可以网上搜索一下。斑瓦工云服的服务器。
行，我现在切换过来了，反正我
切换了，现在是好的，应该是刚刚一段时间都好的，没有网络波动就正常。
对，那个小叶，你先等一下，我就问一下你们你们平时开会是怎么个状况？
材料间信号不太好。
就是你觉得那个是因为是那个无线网的原因是吧？就是但是只要插上网线都没问题吗？
插上网线都有网呀。
我是说插上网线是不是？
我没插过网线，我就是一般都是无线网。
就是你是用无线网，但是只要不在材料间里就没有问题是吗？
对，好像是。材料间有的时候就是客户他不是视频嘛，信号不好他就没有脸了，就只有说话的，它就是自动把视频关了。他的脸。
行。好，那小黄这没事。
好，
我现在开始。
我坐这儿呢，黄总。
对，你坐我这边。小叶，那我们开始那个，我不知道你英文名字叫什么，我忘记了。
Chelsea.
Yes. Okay, nice to meet you, Chelsea.
Nice to meet you. I'm recording now, so maybe hope that you will not remind for this because there were some details in our meeting, and when I record this, we can check it after for these details later.
Sure, not at all.
Before we have to start the meeting, may I know do you know our Finlandia before?
I have come across your website a couple months ago and started to follow with some of your social media sharings, your videos, and I have seen some of the projects you have done, but only from the internet. So, yeah, that's mostly what I know about your company.
Okay, that's very great. Maybe before this, I can have a quick instruction for our company.
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
Okay, we Finlandia have more than over 3,000 projects over the world, and we was one of the most biggest company around the world to provide our customers for the indoor playground equipment. And have two major products including for the children's place and adventure place. That's what we have talked about in this meeting today. You have 3,000 meters squares space needed to do for the adventure place, right?
Yes, that's my plan.
Yes. May I know, do you have any interest project in this adventure? We have, you see our web that you can see we have the
rope courses, trampoline, and many others. So maybe we can talk about what you like before, and we can add them in the design.
Yeah, of course. I have seen a lot of projects from your website and your YouTube channel. I think the project called Be First is very impressive, but the project seems to have a lot of decorative elements, and I'm not sure how expensive it is to build such a project. Can you give me some idea?
For the price, maybe we can confirm our design, and you can give me the budget you'd like. We will try to best to provide you the design and include your budget that which will be your perfect one.
Okay. Is that all about your company? Do you want to add anything about your company introduction?
For the adventure park, you can see in our web that I had introduced a little about it for the rope courses, the adventure tower, and the still zip line. I'm not sure which you prefer better or which you're interested in. I can show you for our web to let you see and introduce one by one later.
我那个打断一下，就是产品啊，或者是更详细的这个介绍就不用了，因为这个就是主要就是了解一下你们公司介绍这块儿你介绍。好，那你过来吧，过来我们那个下一个环节。
好的。
然后 Jerry 在你旁边吗？
在。
Jerry 你再观察观察。
刚刚这段还可以，刚刚这段没有。
一会儿再说，一会儿再说。好。You need to imagine that we are in this park. Have you been to this park before?
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
This is what
we are standing below these high rope courses. Now you need to explain to me about this product, and also try to convince me to get up there to play with this attraction, even though I'm a little afraid of it.
Okay, as you can see, this is our rope courses, and it is for different obstacle in it. You can see the children walk upstairs for this zip lines, and for this they travel around for this. This were interested for both adults and the kids, and you can see for this object. When children walk around and travel around this project, they will see above all the views downstairs, and this will make them find interest and maybe try to make them become braver. You can we now look downstairs here to see the upper. Maybe it is a little free, but we can go around, and I will stay with you. We can try the first step that you can see the views, and maybe you can want to try to this project.
Okay, have you tried this before yourself?
Not but with our friends. We want to try, but I'm a little afraid about the height.
Okay, I'm afraid of the height too. So
maybe today we can go together to try.
You sure? Are you able to do it?
Yes, it is very safety. We believe our company's product. So maybe we can today we can try together for this project now.
Okay, if you try it, I will try it with you.
Okay.
If you were to summarize 3 most important value of these products, what will they be?
For the first,
or even just one, what's the most important value of this product, in your own opinion?
In my own opinion, the most important thing is the safety. As you say, this is
no, I mean the value of the product. You have so many products for us as a customer to choose. Why would you recommend this product, the high-level courses?
The most what I would like to introduce this to you is because, as you had said, that you had the 8 levels clearance height, or 8 meters clearance height for your space, and this was the a very interesting product for your space, and try to catch more children's or customers mind to try this product.
So you said that the first, it is high.
Yeah.
When I have a high ceiling space, it can use the high ceiling space. That's one reason.
Yes.
And the second reason, it train people's courage, to make people more courageous when play with this, right?
Yes.
所以就是你需要想一下，就是你真的给客户去介绍这产品的时候，你到底要突出它什么样的这个特点。OK， 我们下一个。Now you take me to the factory. We are having a tour in the office of the factory.
Yes.
And we are looking at these people working on the computer. Now you need to explain what they are doing.
As you can see, this is our technical department, and they are very important roles in our company. They are the bridge for the design, for the manufacturing, and also for the installation. As you can see, when we finally conform the 3D drawings for our project, they will break them down and make them into details to see in your product which points, how many times there were types they were used in your product, and conform which the point of the before the installation to make the installer know which pack is the place it will need to build, and and also which product it will put inside. Also for some printings in your drawings. That's what they are doing now for this for their work.
Okay, what software are they using?
You mean the?
Yeah, what's the software they are using at work? The design software. What's
they use for the CAD.
CAD.
Yes.
你知道那个他们这个技术部 technical department 他们不同的人用的软件不一样，他们有一些不同的角色分工。
知道他们有
职责分工，这个你了解？
知道是分工，但是具体的，比如说他们每个要用到的哪些软件，
它不一定是什么软件，但是你知道他们职责分工吗？ Then try to describe to me what's the different responsibility of different engineers in this department.
For some of the person they were designed, they were responsible for all the formers in the design, and some of them work for the printing of the inside the design, and some for the maybe like you see the software plate, the platform inside they were make them into details to let the manufacturers know which they were how they were project projections。
就是好像他们都只知道 CAD 部门，对吧？他们不知道那个其实方东他们在干的是什么。是因为去工厂介绍的时候，刘博主要给你们讲的就是 CAD 部门，他一直在强调这个词儿 CAD 部门，然后讲他们在做怎么淘气堡拆分这些嘛。其实应该有讲过那个。
因为在我们后面当时可能就是听的时候没有那么的仔细，但是
没太了解真正的这些，
没有太了解每一个人大概是
多
少。对，因为我们当时比如说是在一个人的位置上，然后看这个
看他们在做 CAD 拆解，对吧？拆单是不是就是你们正在看的是 CAD 拆单这个工作？
他后期也有介绍其他的，但可能对我们来说更敏感的就是听到 CAD 这个词会更敏感一些。
好，那可以了。你这边测试完成。好。那什么，我需要那个先总结一下，因为每个人不是有这评分嘛，我也把我的评分那个都写一下，然后再加那个下一个那个 grade， 对吧？下一个是 grade，
对，是。
等一会儿，要不一会儿我都忘了。
那你先。
就是你写你的，我写我的。他是怎么样？他们打每个人打的一个表是吗？
对呀，每个人一张表。
对。王总他来了。好。等一会儿王总终于开始了，开始。
这个单词太高。你在这里。
啊，
你要在这里吗？
不是，我是听听这个效果怎么样。
好的。
那个谁 ，Grace， 那个你先等一会儿，我这儿需要过一会儿，然后那个谁，那个 Emily 会跟你说的。
好的。
你现在不用在这儿等着，过个5分钟的。
好。
对，我把这些都打一下，要不一会儿不要忘了。
不是说他们就是还是太紧张，我觉得。
对，他俩有点紧张。
对，
没事儿，这个你告诉他们也不是什么这个决定什么他们能不能过试用期的这种，这不是什么。
对，我也跟他说，我说你跟客户还是得自信，有的时候难免说错，但是你有时候自信了，你说错了，客户可能都以为你是对的。所以我说，
就是不应该错的是一些最核心的一些信息，至于你的语法什么表达，这些错就错了，这都无所谓。
对。
行，我先想一想，然后我给你打。对，你把你的表给我，然后我准备给咱们都打一下分，要不是一会儿我就该忘了。
我是写名字吧？
对呀，你给人打了吗？你没打对吧？那我就打我的，你回头你自己打你。
好的。
等一会儿我再找你们，我先把这些分打完。你可以，对。 好，
他去了，他去会议室。那关我那会我还没打呢。
没事，一会儿你再打。你就2个人，你记得住，是因为人多，我一会儿该忘了。
王总可以开始了吗？
好，可以开始。我们现在就进入角色哈。Hi Grace, nice to meet you. Nice to see you.
Hi, Edward. Nice meeting you. I think you might already know